In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Xbox friends list not showing. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply check your Xbox Live status. Go to status.xbox.com and see if there is any server outage. If there is, you might need to simply go ahead and wait. If that is not the case, simply go ahead and check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is going to go ahead and face this problem. Restart your router or use a wired connection if unstable. The other thing you want to try to do is simply go ahead and try to restart your Xbox, or even go to settings, account privacy and online safety, and then make sure that you can see and upload community creations are allowed. And if that doesn't work, simply sign out and sign back in. You might also need to clear MAC address inside the settings, general and network settings as well, or even check your Xbox apps. If none of it works, simply try updating your console and it should go ahead and work. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.